Hey everyone, you're scrolling through your social media, and you see an ad for a sleek, modern banking app called Monzo. Intrigued, you click on it, and you're presented with a world of features, instant transfers, fee-free spending abroad, and a budgeting tool that's as easy to use as your favorite video game. But there's one question that's been nagging at the back of your mind: where exactly is Monzo based? Building context. Before we dive into the answer, let's take a quick look at what makes Monzo so special. Monzo is a digital bank that's been disrupting the traditional banking industry. It's known for its user-friendly interface, innovative features, and a community-driven approach. The Monzo story. Monzo's journey began in 2011 as a crowdfunding campaign. The founders, Tom Blomfield and Jason Bates, had a vision to create a bank that was more transparent, more accessible, and more customer-centric than the traditional banks. Their idea resonated with thousands of people, and they raised over £1 million in just a few weeks. The rest, as they say, is history. The Monzo phenomenon. Monzo's rapid growth can be attributed to several factors. Innovative features, from instant transfers and fee-free spending abroad to budgeting tools and overdraft protection, Monzo offers a range of features that appeal to modern consumers. User-friendly interface. Monzo's app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, making it accessible to people of all ages and tech savviness levels. Community-driven approach. Monzo has built a strong community of users who are passionate about the bank and its mission. This community plays a vital role in shaping the bank's future. So, where is Monzo based? Now, let's get to the question you've all been waiting for: where is Monzo based? Monzo is headquartered in London, United Kingdom. While it may seem surprising that such a tech-savvy bank is based in a traditional European country, London has become a global hub for fintech innovation. Why London? There are several reasons why London is an ideal location for a digital bank like Monzo. Regulatory environment. The UK has a supportive regulatory environment for fintech startups, making it easier for companies like Monzo to innovate and grow. Talent pool. London is home to a large pool of talented tech professionals, making it easy for Monzo to recruit top talent. Global connectivity. London is a major financial center, with strong connections to other global markets. This makes it easier for Monzo to expand its operations internationally. Monzo's global reach. While Monzo is headquartered in London, it has a global reach. The bank has customers in over 100 countries and is constantly expanding its operations. Monzo's international expansion has been fueled by its partnership with MasterCard, which allows Monzo customers to use their cards in millions of locations worldwide. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Monzo is based in London, United Kingdom. The bank's success can be attributed to its innovative features, user-friendly interface, and community-driven approach. As Monzo continues to grow and expand, it's clear that it's poised to become a major player in the global banking industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.